So morning YouTube, and welcome to my channel. We're outside in the garden. I haven't been posting recently. Thank you for all the kind messages from people asking where I was. Got a bit caught up in family issues, health and stuff like that, so haven't had time, but I have been out in the garden, and we have got some plants in the garden, and I thought, well, maybe I'll share that with you. So I'll just turn you round and talk you through it. Right, so as you can see, this is our decking area and seating area in the garden at the back of the bungalow. And there is a lot of decking, and what I've been doing is I've been staining this decking. So there's that one, then you come down here and you've got this seating area here, and there's a lot of decking here, as you can see. Got tools out because we're building, and then down here and around here, and then we have a lot of decking down here. Now, if anyone's interested, this is the colour slate, and I did get the cans from Screwfix, and they were $14.99 each, which I thought was good value, especially when they said 2 for £25. But when I went back to get some more when I ran out, I had to pay £22 for one can because the other can was well made. So this is our pond, and we've had this for about 7 years, and I don't know if you can see from the front here, it is actually tilting by about 2 inches, where the ground has sort of disappeared underneath the decking, and I do worry some days that I'll come out and find that it's collapsed. We have to put this thing in to stop the heron from getting the fish, and in here we have, I don't know if you can see with the glare, but we have 3 koi, quite large ones now, and some shabunkas and goldfish. And we bought them when they were about 3 inches in length. And of course now they're miles too big for this pond. So we decided to treat ourselves to a new pond. And that's what we've been doing, and here it is so far. So I'm in an R-in whether to take a row of logs down, because we're not sure if it's going to be just too high. But for safety reasons with the grandkids, it's good that it's high because they can't lean over into there. But when you're sort of sitting down on the patio here, it is quite high. Now we're going to put a window in just here of about 500 by 120. So that will mean when you're sitting down you will be able to view the fish, which will be lovely. But at the moment we're trying to look at it and get a feel for it and decide if we're going to take one of this row off, so that it'll be slightly lower. I don't know if it'll make that much difference. It is tall. I think we'll get used to it, and once it's all stained I think it will blend in. And it doesn't look too big from a distance, it's just maybe when you're sitting there, but it is a big area. Now this wasn't meant to have a window in it, so for those who might be interested, we've got these irons which we're going to screw up the side here and concrete in before we actually cut out the hole there, and the glass will go in. And this morning the glass is being delivered, so it's all very exciting. And then of course we'll want a few extra fish, so I'm looking forward to that. We're not going to get rid of this one, we're going to move it, and I'm going to restain it the dark brown, and I'm going to put it where those 3 flower pots are in front of my shed there. We'll level the ground, make sure it's not going to move, and we will keep little ones to grow up in there, because you can't put them in the big pond with the bigger fish because they might get eaten. So yeah, so that's the plan. So I can't think of anything else. Just been doing just generally weeding and stuff like that. But the pond has been a lot of decisions. Also on the sewing front, as you can see, my cushions for this area are looking a bit tired, weathered, and I've seen, I will put a picture up here, I've seen some lovely fabric of koi fish, and I thought I might make some koi cushions to go on the sofa here, so that'll be coming. But yes, and those all are bits and pieces. I'll feed the fish, and then you see they get quite lively when you feed them. So if I can get into here. So yeah. I don't like touching the fish because you get smelly fingers. But yeah, so if I put that down, they should all come up and go crazy. I do plan to get the old GoPro out, and I can put it under the water and you can have a look at them. But, yeah, so that's been what I've been up to in the garden. I have done some other bits, but you know, when you look round you think there isn't that much to see, but clearing out the chickens, I cleaned up their houses, I revamped their house because some of the wood was falling off, tidied that up a bit, but there's still lots to do. But it has been nice working out in the garden. So let me know your opinion on the pond, what you think, whether you think it's a problem being the height it is. So, and like I say, there will be a window here. But yeah, let me know, and whether you think we should do it slate grey again, or we were thinking maybe a silver grey, slightly lighter. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.